And welcome to another edition of Sparky Help. This time, unlock parallel circuits. Calculations made easy. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. So here we have a parallel circuit with a 230 volt supply with two resistors, R1 and R2, 45 and 15 ohms respectively. As always, what are we going to do? Let's determine the following. We're going to find out the resistance total, the total current that will flow through this circuit, the branch currents I1 and I2, and also the total power for the circuit. So let's start with RT. This is a formula for parallel resistances. It is the reciprocal method, and it is 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 as shown. So how do we do this? Well, there are a few ways we can do it, but we're going to use the calculator button to aid us in this calculation. So there's our formula. As you see, it is fractions, and here's our calculator. So nice and simple. Put in 4, put in 5, put in the 45, and now we're going to press the x to the minus 1 button. And then we're going to press plus. And what x to the minus 1 does is it puts it 1 over 45 effectively. Plus, and then we're going to put 15. And remember to press the x to the minus 1 button. And now we're going to just press equals because that's the next thing to do. That will give this as an answer, but this is the fraction of that, so we have to do 1 over again. So that is the x to the minus 1 button. And then press equals. And this now is your correct answer. So RT 11.25 ohms. Next thing we're going to do is IT, and this we're going to use our old friend Ohm's law. There we have our triangle to make our life easy. So to find IT, that is voltage divided by resistance. Because it is a total, it has to be the voltage total divided by the resistance total. Putting those figures in, that's 230 divided by 11.25. That gives you a 20.44, and you can see on the drawing where that would go. Now we're going to work out the branch currents. And again, there are other ways to do it, but we're going to do it by Ohm's law. And it is the voltage across the resistor divided by the resistance of that resistor. As it is a parallel circuit, voltage remains the same, so it is Vs. So 230 divided by 45. And it gives us 5.11 amps that will pass through that first branch. Next one, I2, and we'll continue on the same vein. Again, other ways can be done. I2 is voltage across that resistor, bear in mind it stays the same, divided by the resistance of that resistor. And that gives us an answer of 15.33. Those two currents, when added up, should come to 20.44. That's Kirchhoff's current law. Check out my other videos for explanations on Kirchhoff's current and voltage law. How do we calculate the total power? Again, there are many ways, but I'm going to stick with a tried and tested on this particular one, and that is power is equal to volts times current. As it is the total power, we need to make sure we use the correct values, so they are the total values in all cases. So that is Vs times IT, which becomes 230 times the total current, which was 20.44 amps. And that comes to 4,701.2 watts, or approximately 4.7 kilowatts. I hope that helps. Sparky Help, thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.